Hi, I'm Clay with Electric Avenue, and today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your steering angle on this Gazelle Ultimate C8. You can see here the handlebars are not aligned straight with this front wheel. So first of all, underneath this rubber cap is a bolt that needs to be loosened. Simply pull off the rubber cap, and you can see that bolt in there, which I've already loosened. And this front bolt as well needs to be loosened, which I've already done. Now the best way to align the steering, now that the bolts are loose, is to hold the front tire between your legs and then align the handlebars straight with the tire and the frame. Using my torque wrench here and a 5mm Allen bit, I'm first going to tighten this top bolt on the center while I'm keeping the handlebars aligned with the wheel. This is tightened down to 4 Newton meters. Torque wrench just clicked there. And second, I'm gonna tighten the front bolt to 10 Newton meters. Clicked, and we're done. That's how you adjust the steering angle on the Gazelle Ultimate C8. Thanks for watching.